this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do my own DIY Pinterest inspired necklace holder or jewelry holder. And I'll show you guys how I did this. It doesn't take much. So on my walk, I found this pretty branch. I was going to paint it gold or white, but I really loved the color that it turned out. Washed it really well and let it dry out in the sun. And I'll show you guys how and why I needed this as a jewelry holder. Okay, so this is how it ended up looking. You guys, I cannot believe how beautiful it looks. Honestly, it looks better than I thought. um I saw these branches on our walk and I was like, you know what, they look really pretty if I paint them. But I honestly saw something exactly like this on Pinterest that they were selling maybe at an Etsy store for about $79 to $300. And I said, you know what, I can pull something off like that. And like I said, initially I thought I was gonna paint it because they have, I think they painted theirs gold, but I actually like this look. Like I said, I washed it really well and made sure it dried in the sun. And you guys, it looks so pretty. I even put some rings, some hoop earrings, and now I know my necklaces are not going to get all tangled, because that is actually one of my pet peeves, is having to untangle jewelry. And look at this, it is beautiful. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.